Color grading is such a creative process. Sometimes you want to try out different ideas, but you don't want to necessarily lose the work you've already done just to try out something different, and that's exactly where versions come in DaVinci Resolve color grading. Let me show you how they work. Let's say we're color grading this clip, but we're not sure of the creative direction we want to take it in. So we might start off with a simple grade, bring up the exposure and increase the contrast, modify the colors. Let's say we want a really warm version of this, but then we have an idea, maybe we don't want it so warm, or maybe we want the contrast a bit higher, but we don't want to lose the work we've done. So we could grab a still, which allows us to reload that color grade, but there's a quicker way, and that's to use versions. Click on this button to open the clips, and then right click on the clip that you're working on, come up to versions, local versions, and choose create new version. You can give it a custom version name. I'm just going to click OK to create version 2. If I right click again and come up to versions, you can see now we've got version 1 and version 2. When we create a new version, we automatically switch to it. And you can see that it's copied the 3 nodes that we had to this new version. So for this version, let's say we maybe want a much cooler image. I'm just going over the top. We maybe want more contrast. But now we can very quickly right click on the clip, come up to version 1 and choose load to get back to that initial idea that we had. There's also keyboard shortcuts. If you come to the color menu, come to grade version, you can see we can use these shortcuts to go to the previous next and also add a new version. So let's use Control N and Control B. Here's version 2, and you can see it's telling us which version is loaded in this helpful message as we change between these two versions, version 1 and version 2. Come back to the color menu, choose grade version, and you can see we've got this shortcut to add a new grade version, Control Y, which means we can close the clips, hit Control Y, telling us a color grading version was added. In this version, we want everything to look magenta, and now we can use Control B to cycle through the versions and Control N to cycle the other way through 3 different versions. If I open up the clips as I'm doing this, Control N, you can see the clips display is actually updating between the thumbnails too. One last quick tip, if you click this button to open up split screen, click this drop down and choose versions and original, you get to see all 4 versions side by side. The version that's currently active has a slight box around it, so I've hit Control N, you can see that box is moving. The box at the top left is the original ungraded image, and if we change this version, you can see it only changes that particular box. So this is a great way to try out different creative possibilities and also compare them side by side. But what happens when you get that perfect grade and you want to reuse that grade in multiple projects or on multiple machines? That's exactly what you'll learn how to do if you watch this video next. I'm Jason Roberts, this is DaVinci Dojo, and I'll see you in the next one.